Imagine this. You earn $4,500 a month after taxes. It feels comfortable. You pay $1,500 in rent, $500 on a car loan, and $300 minimums on your credit cards. You have student loans, maybe a subscription here or there. Life feels manageable, but somehow at the end of the month there's barely anything left. You're not broke, but you're not getting ahead either. Most people in this situation aren't poor because they earn too little. They're poor because they're quietly paying the wrong bills at the wrong time. Let's put some numbers to this. You take home $4,500 a month. Rent is $1,500. Car loan, $500. Credit card minimums, $300. Student loan, $250. Groceries, utilities, subscriptions, $800. That leaves you with $1,150. Not bad, right? But most people see that left over and think, I can invest some, save some, and still enjoy life. So they might put $500 into an investment account and carry on paying the minimums on all their loans. Seems reasonable, right? That's where the hidden cost sneaks in. Take the car loan as an example. $500 a month at 7% interest over 5 years. By the time it's paid off, you've spent almost $3,000 just on interest. Meanwhile, that $500 invested each month in a stock index fund, growing at 8% over 5 years, would become about $34,000. On paper, investing beats paying off a low-interest loan. But here's the psychological trap. People underestimate how debt feels in daily life. Credit card interest isn't just a number, it's stress. Late fees, surprise statements, the constant feeling of owing money. Even if your investments grow, your mental load and financial flexibility are limited. This is the F-squared rule, a way to think about financial freedom versus financial fragility. On the fragility side, you have loans, high-interest credit cards, lifestyle inflation, and minimal savings. You might technically earn a decent salary, but you're living paycheck to paycheck, constantly juggling payments and vulnerable to emergencies. On the freedom side, the focus isn't just on investing early, it's on removing the shackles of debt first. Paying off the highest interest debts first creates breathing room. It's simple math. Reduce your guaranteed financial drag before you chase potential investment gains. Here's how it plays out over time. If you invest $500 a month for 5 years while carrying $300 a month in credit card debt at 18%, your investments might reach $34,000, but you'll have paid nearly $10,000 in interest. Now, if you flip the strategy, $300 goes to pay off the credit card debt first. You eliminate that interest drain in less than 3 years. Afterward, you can redirect the full $800 a month into investing. Over 10 years, that actually results in more wealth and far less stress. The key psychological insight here is simple. People overvalue the abstract, long-term gain of investing and undervalue the concrete, immediate cost of debt. The brain treats guaranteed losses differently than potential gains. High-interest debt is like a slow leak. It silently erodes financial security. Investments feel exciting and productive, but the money you lose to interest is guaranteed. Smart, financially aware people aren't obsessed with investing the second they get a paycheck. They focus on clearing the path, removing friction, and ensuring that every dollar works efficiently, not just theoretically, but in reality. This doesn't mean you should ignore investing entirely. It means prioritization matters. Low-interest loans, like a small student loan at 3%, might be fine to carry while investing. High-interest credit cards, car loans, or personal loans. Those are anchors that slow your progress. Removing them first gives you both financial and mental space to grow wealth sustainably. It's a mindset shift more than a financial trick. You're not cutting back for the sake of austerity. You're buying freedom with every loan you pay off. So the next time you ask yourself, should I invest or pay off my loan? Remember the F-squared rule. Look at the concrete cost of debt, acknowledge the mental drag, and think in terms of long-term freedom, not short-term gains. Financial intelligence isn't flashy. It's quiet, rational, and a little uncomfortable. It's about making decisions that feel slightly boring today, but compound into clarity, choice, and real stability tomorrow. If this perspective made you think differently about your own money decisions, consider subscribing, not for hype, but for a more grounded, reality-based approach to understanding wealth and financial psychology.